This was the most humiliating and horrible thing I've ever been through.
Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's legal battle has been one of the most highly publicized celebrity legal battles in recent memory. But even before the final verdict, the impact on Heard's life has already been significant. From personal relationships to legal issues, here are the top 10 reasons Amber Heard's life was ruined after the trial. Number 10. Public perception. The loss of trust and credibility has severely affected Amber's personal and professional life. Moreover, the negative public perception has brought her problems in forming new relationships and has led her to lose opportunities, since no one wants to associate with a liar. In addition, the intense media attention and negative scrutiny may have led to feelings of shame and self-doubt and have had a significant and lasting impact on Heard's already deteriorating mental health. But we'll talk more about that later. Number 9. Loss of privacy. Amber Heard's high-profile legal battle with Johnny Depp drew tremendous media attention and public scrutiny, revealing numerous pieces of information about her personal life, including details about her marriage and relationships. This invasion of privacy might make it difficult for her to maintain a sense of normalcy in her personal life, and cause her emotions of shame and embarrassment. In addition, intense media scrutiny has brought to light personal information that Amber Heard preferred to keep private, making it difficult for her to form new relationships and maintain healthy bonds with others. This unwanted attention has also had far-reaching repercussions on her personal and professional life and has led to her life being uncovered in front of millions. As a result, Amber Heard's dark secrets are more exposed than ever, so the celebrity no longer enjoys privacy. Number 8. Legal issues. Johnny Depp's never-ending court battles with Amber Heard have taken a significant financial and emotional toll on Heard. The legal process may be extremely time-consuming, putting a major financial strain on someone like her, who has already had to pay a significant amount of money in the divorce settlement. Moreover, the public nature of the trial has added another layer of stress, leading Heard to feel as if her entire life was being scrutinized in public. This added stress may also have hurt her mental health, leading to despair, anxiety, and other mental health issues. As a result, coping with the demands of legal proceedings can be extremely difficult. Moreover, the ambiguity of the legal system has also made it difficult to plan for the future. But even if this legal battle is something that could have been avoided, some evidence proves that Amber Heard exhibits certain behaviors of a psychopathic person willing to destroy herself to destroy Johnny. Number 7. Social media backlash. Social media can be a double-edged sword and has proven to be a source of harassment and abuse for Amber Heard. The continuous bombardment of negative comments has triggered guilt and self-doubt, worsening her mental health issues. Repercussions of such harassment on one's safety and mental well-being can be all-consuming, offering little hope of escaping its negative effects. Unfortunately, people use social media to indiscriminately vent their hatred. So it is likely that many of Heard's haters are the same people who originally attacked Johnny Depp when he was accused, without waiting for the case to be cleared up. Yet, double standards are common on the internet, where anonymity lets people behave like assholes. That's why I believe this situation has to stop. Number 6. Personal relationships. Amber Heard's personal connections, particularly those with close friends and romantic partners, may have suffered due to the current trial and related aftermath. The overwhelming media attention and unfavorable exposure have placed a significant strain on her personal relationships, making genuine connections with loved ones difficult. Many people are probably thinking twice before considering dating Heard, especially after she was accused of being a psycho. The subsequent isolation might lead to a lack of confidence in others around her, eroding her connections further and aggravating her feelings of loneliness and hopelessness. This, in turn, may have impacted her mental health and impacted her ability to connect with others and form meaningful relationships. Number 5. Career impact. The charges and ensuing trial have cast a shadow over Amber Heard's Hollywood career, with certain studios and producers hesitating to deal with her because of the negative implications. As a result, her opportunities to take on new positions and improve her career are severely limited. Furthermore, the negative press has harmed her ties with industry professionals, making it difficult for her to retain a positive reputation in Hollywood. This can directly influence her financial stability, as establishing a long-term career in the business might be difficult under such conditions. As a result, The consequences of this trial could have a long-term impact on her capacity to realize her objectives and aspirations in the film industry. Number 4. Financial impact. Amber Heard's court fights with Johnny Depp have cost her a lot of money. The divorce settlement alone cost her $7 million, and legal bills for the trial were also hefty. These costs may have far-reaching consequences for her personal life and work, leading her to pass up some possibilities owing to financial constraints. The long-term financial consequences can impair her ability to develop financial security and plan for the future. Additionally, financial stress might add to her stress and uncertainty since she may need to prioritize financial security over personal objectives or aspirations. Overall, the financial fallout from her legal disputes has been extremely difficult to navigate and overcome. But as long as the trial remains fresh in people's memories, her financial troubles will linger for a long time. Number 3. Mental health. Amber Heard received negative media attention and publicity due to the trial and its aftermath. Speaking frankly about the trial's effects, she revealed that she suffered from melancholy and anxiety. Ongoing legal fights have aggravated her stress and worry, impacting her personal life and professional possibilities. The consequences for her mental health can be long-lasting, making it difficult for her to handle stress and succeed in her personal and professional endeavors. Furthermore, the constant criticism could have caused serious damage to her self-esteem and self-worth and led her to withdraw into seclusion, until people forgot about her. Unfortunately, mental health problems and confinement are a bad combination that can drive a person to insanity. Number 2. Damaged reputation. Some people have developed a negative opinion of Amber Heard due to the trial, questioning her authenticity and honesty. And with good reason. But let's analyze how this has affected Amber. First, the negative perceptions of the general public have had a significant impact on all areas of her life, hindering her ability to relate to others. However, the most noticeable effect has undoubtedly been that of social repudiation. Most people repudiate her attitude and have tried to keep their distance from her. That is why it is possible that Amber Heard feels uncomfortable everywhere she goes, with hundreds of accusing fingers pointing at her and reminding her of what she has done. However, the most painful part of this process is that people no longer approach her to ask for autographs, but repudiate her attitude. At least, the common people who are in favor of Johnny Depp. After all, there are still people who support Amber Heard, even if it's hard to believe. Number 1. Legal and personal safety. Amber Heard has faced significant security concerns throughout and after the trial with Johnny Depp. Intense media attention and public scrutiny led to increased online harassment and threats against her, including death threats. These threats have also had a profound impact on her personal safety, making her afraid to go out in the street. Moreover, the ongoing legal battles have only exacerbated her negative emotions. And the negative attention has brought her complications in leading a normal life, requiring her to take extra security measures to protect herself and those close to her. As much as I support Johnny Depp, I know there are a lot of lunatic people out there who might try to harm Amber in an attempt to get justice. But I believe that violence only begets more violence. That is why I hope the threats against her physical integrity cease. That's all for today's video. If you liked this top 10, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and smash that like button. Before you go, what do you think about the legal battle between Amber Heard and Johnny Depp? Does Amber Heard deserve everything she is going through? I'll be reading you in the comments.